Good morning. It's ninth and 10th grade career education, and this is Miss Lively. All right, so let's take time to review the career planning process. You guys have been working really hard on it, so let's see if you can check your memory and some facts and see what you know. First, we talked about the 7 steps to career planning. This is where you assess your interests, skills, values, and abilities. Research the bigger picture, meaning where do you want to be? What are your goals? Explore those career options that match your goals. Create a career plan. Once you have created your career plan, then get hired. Once you're hired, continue to be successful and continue to plan. We talked about how important it was to have these 7 steps in career planning and why it was important to continue planning along the way. No matter how old you are, you should always still be planning ahead. Next, we talked about developing a career self-assessment. Why is it important to do this? Well, I'm glad you asked. Because it'll help you choose a career path that matches you as a person. It'll also help you consider your own strengths, skills, and abilities. And if you don't know, there's always people around you that can help you. Next, it'll help you evaluate the important people and the things that are important to you in your life. It'll make you take a second look at where you're at, who's in your corner, and the things that are most valuable to you. Next, it'll show you your personal values by the way you act and the choices you make in life. We all have choices to make. How your life runs is because of decisions that you have chosen along the way. Once we have looked at that, the next thing we look at is career planning resources. Networking is a major key resource. Network, network, network. We also talked about online resources. Those would be company websites, government websites, industry sites, online job industries, and your social networking sites. Remember, be careful what you put on social media. You never know who's watching. Also, we talked about resources such as career education teachers, whoop, whoop, career fairs, and help wanted ads. All of these resources help you for career search and could possibly help you continue planning. So, for your assignment this week, please answer the following questions. What is the first step in career planning? Please refer to the slide that had the 7 steps. Next, why do you think it's important to continue career planning no matter how old you are? Next, list at least 5 career resources. I went over them with you, and then I'll give you a hint. One major one that we talked about in length starts with an N. Next, why do you think it's important to keep all of your contacts organized? And last, why is it important to dress appropriately while attending a career fair? All of these questions have been talked about over the past 6 weeks. If you need to go back and look at other PowerPoints to figure out what the answers is, please be my guest. If you need any help, please contact me. Please email me your responses. Have a good day, guys.